Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Motorsport on PC. First, verify your computer meets the game's system requirements for a smooth experience. Next, acquire the game through a platform like the Microsoft Store or Steam, or access it via a Game Pass subscription. Finally, update your operating system and graphics drivers to their latest versions to prevent any performance issues. These initial steps are crucial for a seamless setup and an enjoyable racing experience. Once purchased, proceed to download and install Forza Motorsport from your chosen digital storefront. The installation size can be substantial, so allow ample time. After installation, launch the game and navigate to the graphics settings. Here, you can fine-tune options like resolution, anti-aliasing, and texture quality to balance visual fidelity with your PC's capabilities. Don't forget to connect your favorite controller or racing wheel for an immersive driving experience. With the game installed and settings optimized, it's time to hit the track. Start by completing the introductory races, which will familiarize you with the game's driving physics and controls. Afterward, dive into the extensive garage where you can personalize your cars with performance upgrades and cosmetic modifications. Experiment with different vehicles and tuning setups. Then, jump into career mode, free play, or challenge friends in online multiplayer races to truly test your skills. To elevate your Forza Motorsport experience, consider joining online communities and forums. These are excellent resources for finding tuning guides, participating in community events, and connecting with other racers. For an even more immersive visual experience, a high refresh rate monitor can make a significant difference, offering smoother gameplay. Also, for a different kind of upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Keep practicing and enjoy the thrill of the race.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.